Hello everyone. This video will show you how to fix Mail app not syncing automatically in Windows 11. Method 1. Update Windows Mail app. From the taskbar, click on the Windows Store app. From the left-hand side menu, click on the library. Click on the Get Updates button next to Updates and Downloads. If there are any new updates Mail app, you will be able to see them. Download and install the updates. Restart your system. Method 2. Run Windows Store app Troubleshooter. Press Windows and I on your keyboard to open Settings. Click Troubleshoot. Next, click Other Troubleshooters. Move down and click Run button present in the Windows Store Apps section. Comply with on-screen instructions if any. When the system offers any fix, apply the same. Method 3. Allow access to Calendar. Right-click on Start and choose Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Move to the right and reach App Permissions section. Click Calendar. Make sure the toggle buttons present next to Calendar Access and Let Apps Access Your Calendar are turned on. Now, turn on the toggle switch on Mail and Calendar too. Method 4. Modify the sync frequency. Open the Mail application. On the leftmost corner of the window, click on the menu option. Click Account. Then choose the account that has problem syncing. In the appearing window, click on Options for syncing your content. In the Sync Settings window that opens, from the Download New Content drop-down, select as items arrive. From the Download Email from the drop-down, choose any time. Toggle the button next to the email option. Click on Done. Restart the system. Open the Windows Mail application and check if the issue has been resolved. Method 5. Remove and re-add the account. Open the Mail app. Click on the Settings icon from the bottom left corner of the window. From the window that shows up, select Manage Settings. Choose an email account that needs to be removed. From the opening window, click on Delete Account from this device. In the confirmation dialog that shows up, click on the Delete. Once that is done, click on Add Account.